Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're talking about Burger Coin, its latest update, the recent delisting news, and whether there's still a chance for a price recovery. Can Burger Coin bounce back and hit $1? Let's break it all down. Burger Coin has recently been delisted from Binance as of the 28th, and earlier from CoinDCX as well. Since the announcement, the price has crashed hard, with a significant drop in both value and trading volume. If you're still holding Burger tokens on Binance, here's how to sell them. You can withdraw your tokens to the MEXC exchange, where Burger is still available for now. Now let's talk about a possible short-term trade opportunity. Burger Coin's price is down about 10% in the last 24 hours, and the trading volume has dropped by over 55%. The token is still listed under spot trading, and the team remains somewhat active on Twitter. But from a technical perspective, all time frames, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, are showing a bearish structure. However, if you look at the 1-day chart, price indicators suggest that Burger Coin is now in the oversold zone. And on the 4-hour chart, the price has been consolidating within a tight range for the past few days. Here's where it gets interesting. Tokens like these, especially before full delisting, can often show a bounce back. If the price grabs downward liquidity and reclaims the current range, we could potentially see a short-term pump of 30%, 50%, or even 100%. So is Burger Coin going to $1? Realistically, hitting $1 would require massive volume and sentiment shift, which seems unlikely in the short term given the current bearish momentum and exchange removals. But in the short term, a quick pump is possible based on price patterns and market behavior. If you're trading it, be cautious, use proper risk management, and don't get emotionally attached. That's it for today's update on Burger Coin. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.